Who am I here with today?
This is Manny Roll-On.
What's up, Manny Roll-On? Sounds like a deodorant or something.
No more touch-ups because this stick actually works.
Yo, I've had that name since I was like a little kid, and the roll-on piece might have just been
got thrown in there by a drunk uncle.
Yep.
Is money better spent on quality piston rings or on an engagement ring?
You know what? I'm gonna have to say piston ring. With my luck with women, I've been stuffing it. You know, most of my women have been piston rings lately. Just cars lately. So I have to say the piston rings. I would have to go with the piston rings.
I respect that, man. I respect that. Hey, the honesty.
Hey, exactly. There you go.
Who am I here with today?
Ozzy.
Jay.
If traffic laws vanished overnight and you had a beater car, what craziness would ensue?
Honestly, I'm getting it to full power. I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it as hard as I can.
I'm gonna have to agree with him. I'm probably gonna gun it.
Yeah.
Redlining it everywhere and every gear.
Honestly, I might go in front of a police station and just hit that limiter.
Oh, in front of, I like it.
Yeah, man.
Just put, thumb your nose
there's
at
no
the
laws.
guy.
They can't do anything.
If you could make one new law on the road, what would it be?
I would have to say, not be a dick on the road. Like, kind of just share the
general,
road. Yeah,
general, don't be a dick.
just don't be a dick
No,
on the
not
road.
specific, just don't be a dick.
Just don't be a dick. Yeah.
What's the fine on the don't be a dick ticket?
Oh my God, I would have to say $150. You get caught being a dick, $150. There you
What if
go.
you're like a dick a few times so they get like 3 tickets?
Yep, there you go. That joint just stacks up.
450, baby.
The way we going, it's gonna stack up.
Who am I here with today?
My name's Fresco.
If you were a cop for a day, what tickets would you write?
If I was a cop for a day, I'd give everybody warnings. No speeding tickets, no citations. I'd be like, I didn't see anything.
Okay, all right, just calm down a bit.
Just calm down.
So I don't get in trouble.
Yeah. I'll still fill my quota.
Does Big Booty Betty have a more accurate butt dyno than Flapjack's hat?
I'm gonna say yeah to that. I'm gonna have to say yeah. It has more of a like, it's a twist to it, you feel me? So like, I like Big Booty Betty. Like,
you're teasing me, naughty.
it's fun.
She's a good time.
Yeah.
I'll go with Big Booty.
Okay, default answer. We'll
Yeah,
go. Okay.
yeah, honestly.
Excuse me. We're recording here? I'm sorry. Okay. All right.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Good question. Shit.
Why do girls always hit curbs?
Oh, this is definitely gonna get me in trouble.
You already said you're
That's true.
You can't dig a bigger hole.
I can't think of that than it is. I would have to say, I think they just do that on purpose.
Just to piss those guys off.
Just to piss those guys
Screw up our wheels. Make us do extra work
They
for
want
nothing.
pay that extra money.
Pop a tire at the call AAA. What is the best way for a girl to rizz up a car guy?
Rizz up a car guy. I think if the girl's car has more Riz than mine, I'm in love, dude. I'm already
Has a
like,
nicer car than you.
if she has a nicer car than me and she's like she's gearheading out like heavy, I'm sold.
So be a car girl.
Be a car girl.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the hottest thing.
Easy. Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
Like my ego's not fragile enough for that. I'd be like,
All right, look, you want to have sex right now? Do you want to have sex with me right now? Let's go. Come on, let's go, baby. Come on.
Come help me in the garage, honey.
Right.
She's like, all right, let's go.
Yeah, I'm like, whoa.
Yeah, all right, I'm not used to this.
I'll help you out with the car. Right? Hell yeah.
Let's say you're getting into the bank robbery business. Yeah. What is your getaway car?
The 2014 Mustang GT500, the Need for Speed Edition.
What color?
It's gray with blue stripes.
How much air pressure you got in the tires?
Shit, we can run about like a good 60. I'll put 60.
60?
Yeah.
Oh, you're going, okay, all right.
Yeah. For me, it'd probably be an M5 CS.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that X-Drive. I need it all blacked out. Yeah.
Windows and everything.
Windows and everything, yeah.
Gotcha. Wheels,
Yeah.
all nine.
Yeah, I'm gonna need that V8 power.
Let's say you're getting into the bank robbery business.
Perfect.
What's your getaway car?
My getaway car? Well, it's got to be something not all-wheel drive because it's got to turn.
Okay, so you want something
Probably rear-wheel drive, a little drifty, lower suspension. Honestly, believe it or not, I'd probably say somewhere like an S2000. No, but you need trunk space. You need trunk space.
You need room for the duffel bags for the cash.
IS300.
Okay, you got the
And
2J in it?
Yep, 2J. You got the back, you got the 4 seats, you got the trunk.
action.
IS300 all the way, 100%.
One man, you can turbo that bad boy and get away quicker.
Easy. Rear-wheel drive, handles well, nice.
Arts galore.
Oh, yeah.
If your car could talk, what would it say?
Help me, literally help me.
I need somebody
Help me. It just, hold on. It was in the shop in January, came out, had it for a month, and then it got hit again, went right back in the shop. Came out, I'm about to do a stage 2 clutch swap on it. Then I'm also planning to put a 7.3 Godzilla inside.
So you're starting to help it.
A little bit, but we're breaking it before we're helping it.
Hey, it's an on and off relationship.
Yeah, man, that's what cars is about. That's what cars is about. You learn your car. I do everything for my car.
Sensational.
Same thing here, man.
Yeah, man, I love it.
Oh, if my car can talk, honestly, I'd probably say where the bitch is at.
How you doing?
Your car's a player.
Yeah.
That's funny. You like pour alcohol into the tank and it's a party?
Yeah.
Good party time.
It's that real octane right
What is the best way for a girl to rizz up a car guy?
there. Get her new tires on,
No, she's rizzing you up. She's trying to hit on you. You're not getting her shit.
Oh, no, that's what I'm saying.
Oh,
she got
okay.
tires and wheels.
Oh, yeah, okay. Hit a Pitman Industries.
Yep, there you go. Some new tires and wheels.
That's some serious rizzing.
Yep. I mean, then maybe I might give out an engagement ring instead of a piston ring.
If your car could talk, what would it say?
If my car could talk, I think it'd say, hey, give me a break.
Hopefully not breaking accent.
Right. Yeah, exactly. It's like, put them.
Not that kind of break.
Not that kind of break. Right. I'm a little.
Like, give me a break on the throttle.
Give me a little break on the throttle.
Yeah,
You know what I
let me
mean?
chill.
Daddy, chill.
Yeah,
tired
you know what I
today.
mean? Give me another, open up my intake or something. Let me breathe. I need a minute. Oh, I'm overheating.
Who is hotter, a girl who could drive stick or a girl who could do an oil change?
I mean, honestly, my girl can do both, so like, I'm blessed with that. So,
He's like, check.
yeah.
Me personally, if she can drive stick, that means she knows how to, work that car. So I'm gonna guess that if she knows how to drive stick, she should know how to do an oil change at least.
Oh.
A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit.
Oh, I was in
Right?
another direction.
So, yeah, I'll take stick. I drive a stick. I'm gonna need help sometimes.
You might need her to pick you up somewhere or something.
Exactly.
What mental illness do car guys suffer from?
ADHD.
Okay.
I think it's ADHD. Actually, no, OCD.
Yes.
OCD. 100%
That is my
OCD.
Oh, make you want to kick a fat kid at Kmart. You know what I'm saying? Praise God, baby.
Yeah, it's definitely
me.
OCD. Yeah.
That's
No, because it's like, even if your car is dented, it's trash, there's still weird things that we're like really like particular about.
I
Yeah.
can't drive it like that.
Because it's like the dents are like, it's part of the story.
Yeah.
But like if there's dust on the floor mat, like you're heated.
Now, I'm really mad.
You're like, no, you gotta get the vacuum, you got your Dyson out, and you're just like, yeah.
Yeah.
So OCD, not ADHD.
Somebody gets in with a coffee in their hand and it's not being held tight.
Oh my God, yeah. If it's my mess, it's cool. If it's your mess, get out.
Exactly. I'm not getting with your shit, buddy.
Right. It's not me. No, definitely not.
Is money better spent on quality piston rings or on an engagement ring?
Piston rings.
What is he doing?
He's beginning to believe.
No hesitation.
Piston rings.
I'm gonna have to agree with him. Yeah.
I like
She'll
it. No
understand.
hesitation.
She'll understand.
Yeah.
She'll understand.
You'll talk it through.
Yeah.
We'll smooth it out somehow.
I'll order it, and when it gets there, then we'll talk about it.
It's better to ask for forgiveness than for permission.
Right. Because then she'll be watching to see when the money comes out.
Let's say you're getting into the bank robbery business. What's your getaway car?
An Evo. Lancer Evolution, yeah.
What number?
Oh, the 10.
10?
I'd have to go for the 10. Yeah, that twin turbo.
What did he say?
All-wheel drive. And I'm not gonna hit a curb.
And you can jump shit with it too.
And jump
You can
shit
do
with
some
that
rallying.
shit.
Go off over the
Exactly.
casket.
Oh,
Smart
right
man.
there, that
Smart man.
rally stuff. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Is money better spent on quality piston rings or an engagement ring?
Is that that's not a hard question at all. Piston rings.
Yes!
Piston rings.
My time has come.
I like the setup.
100%. No, 100%. I was like, this is, I think it's a trick question. I don't know who's going to listen to this, so I got to be careful.
Hopefully a lot of people fingers crossed.
Right. No, I would say a piston ring because car's never going to let you down. If you build it right, it won't let you down.
For you.
It'll always be there for you.
Stop loving you.
Yeah, it's never going to stop loving you. You love it, it won't love you.
Exactly.
Scratch that part. I said if you love it, it won't love you. If you love it, it will always love you.
Yeah.
Always.
It won't give up on you.
Unless, what was that car from Gone in 60 Seconds? Eleanor.
Oh, she
was a tough one.
Girl.
She was a tough one. She was a tough one.
Girl.
Oh yeah, but we love
But she was
Eleanor.
probably feisty because that wasn't the owner, so she's like, get the hell out.
And there was during the extent of that
was
movie, there was
actually-
3 different Eleanors. There was the one he had and lost. Then there was the one it's the one he was chasing, never got. Then he chased it again, and then he lost the second one. Then the third one was one they found in the junkyard, and they gave it to him. So there's 3 Eleanors. Yeah. So word of advice for all the kids out there: just chase one Eleanor. I think 3 is a little bit much.
Yeah. One's even a lot.
Right.
One can drive you crazy.
Oh yeah, 100%.
If you could make one new law on the road, what would it be?
Allow car meets in public roads.
Allow car meets? Me, I'll personally say if you're going below the speed limit on the highway, get out the left lane. Get out the left lane.
Gotcha.
What do you think about that?
Yeah.
I'm thinking because bro, in New York, bro, every car meet is shut down. We need a rule that allow car meets. Real shit.
Actually, yeah, they don't. So we like to do park and chills a lot.
Okay.
I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and say it don't get a little bit crazy later on. But it's mostly park and chill, and they don't like that. Meanwhile, there's a whole bunch of other stuff happening. They don't want us to do our park and chills. We're just dudes with cars, bro.
Just hanging out. Yeah.
Exactly.
I gotcha. All right.
Eric Adams, you deserve a straight pipe. I'm not gonna lie.